How to fix sign up error on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix sign up error on Roblox. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to create a Roblox account and maybe you're trying to actually log in, you're not being able to create it, it says sign up error. There are a couple of reasons why this happens and there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it as well. Now to do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Google Chrome browser. Now I'm just recommending you use your browser, not the app, because the app most likely runs into some type of bugs due to lack of update or anything as such. So open up your browser, go to roblox.com. By default you're already on the sign up screen. So over here you want to make sure that your date of birth is correct. So I just recommend you that at least enter an age that is over, let's say 16 or 18 years of age, because when you enter a birthday that will make you over 13 years of age only, then you're going to have limitations that you might regret later on. So I just recommend, even if it is not true, just try to increase by 2 or 3 years, and then after you've done that you want to make sure to enter a Roblox username. So this time you have to make sure and enter a username that no one else has actually used. It's very unique only to you, and then you can remember it very easily. You also want to make sure to enter the password that actually meets the minimum requirements. Now when you enter a username that's already taken by others, you'll most likely see this username is already taken, so you can try to add a few specifics to it in order to make this username unique. You can select your gender, then just click on sign up, and this time when you click on sign up you should be able to create an account without facing any type of errors at all. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.